Hi, welcome to day 4 of the Conscious Living 8-day journey, where we are cultivating conscious living practices to experience more peace, happiness, and fulfillment in our lives. I'm Meli, and I'm so happy to share this journey with you. So far, we have welcomed stillness into our lives, a key to enjoying peace within, even through life's difficult moments. We've connected to the inner wisdom of our heart to align with what brings us the most joy. We've practiced self-love, acceptance, and appreciation, filling up our cup so it may overflow and we can spread loving kindness and compassion to all those we touch. Today's guided meditation and self-reflection is focused on accepting and appreciating others. Cultivating loving relationships, healthy communication, and more genuine and deeper connection to the ones you love. My husband, Jay, taught me this. To love is to give. Period. When you love and care about someone, you simply want them to be happy, and you want to give to them so they can be happy in whatever way happiness looks to them. There's no giving and then expecting something in return. There are no expectations. To love is simply to give. Of course, relationships aren't that simple, right? Practicing loving kindness and compassion is perhaps one of the most important practices. It allows us to step outside of ourselves and be able to see the other person's side, accept it, and maybe even understand it better. It has the power to stop uncomfortable confrontations from escalating, which ultimately causes you and the other person a lot more heartache and suffering. Practicing compassion towards others and yourself leads to more ease and happiness in your life. Acceptance is also key. We have no control over others, their behaviors, or their actions and choices. Like my dad always likes to say, live and let live. The only thing we have power over is our own selves, the way we think, feel, speak, and act. And we have the ability to challenge the way we think, feel, speak, and act by cultivating consciousness to improve our lives. During my yoga teacher training, I learned a valuable lesson for cultivating loving relationships with others. I find it really important, and so I'd like to share it with you today. I found this practice so valuable that I actually use it when I'm talking or thinking to myself. I constantly challenge my own thoughts, especially when I'm being hard on myself. So here it is. Before you speak, ask yourself, is it true? Is it kind? Is it necessary? This simple conscious living practice has helped me communicate better with everyone in my life. And it's helped me be more kind, gentle, patient, and loving towards myself, which ultimately sends out a ripple effect and positively impacts everyone in my life as well. There are many times when we are angry or frustrated, and in that anger and frustration, we might say or do things we will later regret. Taking a moment to pause and ask yourself these 3 questions. Is it true? Is it kind? Is it necessary? Truly shifts things into a more conscious and positive way of interacting and communicating with each other. I do want to point out that there are times when we might need to say something that might hurt someone else, like when we've been wronged or when we are trying to set loving boundaries with others and during disagreements, because it might just be the necessary and kind thing to do for yourself. But even though you might have to communicate a hard truth, you can choose to express it in the most loving and kind way possible. Is it true? Is it kind? Is it necessary? I encourage you to use it in communicating with others and with your own self. You'll see how this simple practice makes a world of a difference. Now let's talk about appreciation, recognizing and enjoying the good qualities of others. Taking a moment to appreciate and actually share your appreciation with everyone in your life is a win-win situation. Because I appreciate you implies I value you. And it stems from acknowledging the worth in another being and ourselves. What we value and appreciate in others, we also value and appreciate within ourselves, which reinforces our relationship and connection with each other. So for today's guided meditation, we're going to focus on appreciating others. Find a comfortable seat, or you can also rest lying down. Gently settle in. Make any small adjustments you need to get fully comfortable. Close your eyes. Lengthen through the spine, but also find comfort. There's no need to be stiff or uncomfortable. Allow your head and shoulders to rest comfortably. Arms are alongside the body, palms facing up for a giving and receiving energy. Now bring your attention to your breath. Notice the air coming in and out of the nose effortlessly. Notice your chest and belly gently rising and falling with every breath. If your mind starts to wander, that's perfectly normal. Simply bring the awareness back to the breath and to my voice. Bring to mind someone you love. Think about all the aspects of this person that you appreciate. You can think of their inner qualities, their demeanor, any special moments you've shared with them. Think about everything about this person that you appreciate. Now rest in appreciation for this person, simply as they are. Silently or out loud say, I appreciate you. Now bring to mind an acquaintance, someone you repeatedly have interactions with, but you wouldn't consider a loved one, like maybe a coworker or someone you receive services from. Think of any special aspects of this person that feel special and meaningful to you. Rest in appreciation for this person, simply as they are. Silently or out loud say, I appreciate you. Now bring to mind someone that makes you uncomfortable, or challenges your inner peace, or maybe has hurt you. Are there any aspects of this person you can appreciate, with the understanding that they too are human? They too make mistakes. They too suffer. Bringing compassion towards this person. Maybe think about What lessons or opportunities or gifts for self-improvement can you appreciate them for? Rest in appreciation for this person simply as they are. Silently or out loud say, I appreciate you. Now bring to mind a non-human being that you love or is special to you, like your doggy or your cat or your houseplant or a garden tree. Think about what aspects you appreciate about this being. Rest in appreciation for this being simply as they are. Silently or out loud say, I appreciate you. Now I invite you to bring your hands to your heart. How do you feel? How does appreciation for others feel in your body? What does appreciation inspire in you? How can you act on what you feel today? When you are ready, gently open your eyes. Take a moment to take in your surroundings and truly feel appreciation for others and yourself. Appreciate that you took this time for yourself to nourish your well-being, mind, body, and spirit. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. From my heart to yours, namaste. To support free yoga, meditation, mindfulness, and conscious living practices, subscribe to this channel. Found this video helpful? Know someone who'd benefit from it? Please share it.